Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough move. This is what we would call a gap and trap if you're newer to trading. What does that mean? Well, on Monday, the price closed right there, and then today, on Tuesday, the price opened up there, hence the gap up. And then after the gap up, the price opened up, some poor souls bought right there, and then from there the trap happened. It was essentially downwards movement the rest of the day. But point here being that it was a very, very brutal day during that first 30 minutes, and then the price did stabilize out, and the main level that really stands out to me and that a lot of people are going to be watching, so this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that. A lot of people are going to be watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same price level and the same things regarding that price level, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and that's what we have going on down here with the 18-cent mark. If you go through the history of things, you can see a bunch of times there acted as support, and sure didn't quite hit it today, but got within the general vicinity of $18. So a lot of people definitely going to be watching and wondering, can the price hold above there? If the price does not hold above it, then at that point, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be very shocking at all to see the price drift down to that green line down here around $16.25, which is what I've talked about from past videos. So again, if 18 does not hold, then would not be shocking to see the price make its way down to $16.25, if not even lower. But as of right now, you don't want to get too far ahead of yourself because right now the price hasn't even technically tested 18, but that's definitely a very important level from the from the support standpoint. Speaking of resistances, very near-term level to watch now going forward is going to be that purple line right there. 50-period moving average. You can see the price has already struggled with it a couple of times, so keep a close eye on that, and we'll see how the price reacts with it. Although after today's price movement and all the downwards momentum, top priority right now, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to stabilize and consolidate out and find some sort of bottom. So we'll see if $18 can be the bottom again, or if this has a bigger breakdown coming and this thing's headed to 16. So we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.